Ruhani stands at a breaking point. She is no longer the innocent girl who once believed love would protect her. Now, she is consumed by one powerful obsession to make Guru hers at any cost, even if it means crossing every moral boundary and drowning herself in lies she may never be able to undo. Her world collapses when she discovers a devastating truth. Her own brother was the one who deliberately separated her from Guru. He believed he was protecting her future, convinced that she was sacrificing her dreams for a man who might never truly belong to her. But for Ruhani, this justification feels like betrayal. Her heart shatters, and in that emotional storm, she turns against her own family. Pain transforms into rebellion. She swears that no matter what happens, she will never let Guru leave her life again, even if he begins to hate her completely. But destiny does not stop testing her. Soon, another shocking truth emerges inside the hospital. A lady doctor reveals that Guru was the one who arranged for Ruhani's medical supervision during the time she was being pushed toward Tejaswini's marriage plans. It was not coincidence. It was protection. Guru had silently intervened, trying to shield her from a decision that was never truly hers. This revelation leaves Ruhani torn between confusion and hope. Her family has betrayed her, yet Guru's hidden care proves that his feelings are not completely gone. Something inside her shifts. Love begins to twist into obsession, and obsession begins to shape a dangerous plan. Ruhani makes an unthinkable request. She asks the doctor to create a fake pregnancy report. A lie powerful enough to bind Guru to her forever. The doctor is shocked and refuses at first, questioning the morality of such a decision. She warns Ruhani about the emotional destruction it could cause, not just to Guru but to the entire family. In a household already filled with silent pain and emotional wounds, such a lie could destroy everything. But Ruhani does not step back. Her voice trembles, yet her determination is unshakable. She insists that this deception is not meant to harm anyone. In her mind, it is a desperate attempt to stop Guru from taking a path that would separate them permanently. Slowly, the doctor weakens under emotional pressure. Against her better judgment, she agrees. A nurse is brought into confidence, and a false report is prepared. A fabricated truth is born. Armed with this lie, Ruhani returns to the mansion and executes her plan. She suddenly collapses in front of Guru and Tejaswini, creating panic in the room. Guru rushes toward her instantly, his concern revealing emotions he has been trying to suppress. Tejaswini watches in shock, her worst fears beginning to surface. The doctor arrives and delivers the most explosive claim: Ruhani is pregnant. The announcement freezes the entire room. Guru is stunned. His mind refuses to accept what he has just heard. Confusion overtakes him, followed by suspicion. He knows there was never any physical relationship between them, and yet this claim stands in front of him like an undeniable truth. Tejaswini loses control in anger and heartbreak. Her emotions explode as she confronts the situation violently, unable to accept the reality being forced upon her. The doctor, however, stands firm, presenting the false report as evidence and trying to stabilize the situation. But the damage is already done. Guru begins to question everything. His trust shakes for the first time. Doubt spreads through his heart like a silent poison. Meanwhile, within the same house, another emotional reaction unfolds. Guru's mother watches the situation with hidden satisfaction. She understands that whether the pregnancy is real or false, it has already achieved one thing: It has tied Ruhani to the family permanently. The grandmother and Nageshwar begin to see opportunity in the chaos. They quietly consider how this situation could serve their own interests, especially the desire for an heir and the preservation of family legacy. Outside this circle of manipulation, Ruhani's own family collapses emotionally. Her father and brother, believing she has crossed all limits of dignity, cut all ties with her. She is abandoned once again, this time not by strangers, but by her own blood. Back in the mansion, Tejaswini demands immediate separation. She insists that Ruhani be removed from the house and Guru be freed from this situation before it destroys everything further. But Ruhani remains silent. Not because she is defeated, but because she believes she is in control. In her mind, this fake pregnancy is not destruction, it is strategy. She believes it will force Guru to stay close to her, and with time, his old love will return. She plans to reveal the truth later, once everything is under control again. But reality begins to twist in a darker direction. Guru is no longer just confused, he is hurt, suspicious, and slowly losing trust in the woman he once cared for. And when trust breaks, even love struggles to survive. Now everything hangs in uncertainty. Will Guru accept this shocking truth? Or will this web of lies destroy every bond beyond repair?